Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can enable push-to-talk voice chat in Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Modern Warfare, and when you have it, just click here on Options. When you will be in Options, go to Audio, and you're gonna see right here Voice Chat Recording Mode, and you just want to change it to push-to-talk, and now just change the button on push-to-talk to whatever you want, but don't have it like on shift or something, that would be bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some background and some support. So again, Options, Audio, and Push to Talk. Thank you everybody, have a great day and goodbye.